Greetings, viewers. Welcome back to Huxtello iTech. I'm Jess, and today, we have important news regarding the National Service Scheme, NSS, and the enrollment process for eligible trained nurses, midwives for the upcoming 2024-2025 service year. The NSS has officially released the first batch of PIN codes to 20,289 eligible trained nurses, midwives, paving the way for their enrollment in the mandatory one-year national service. Let's dive into the details. All eligible teachers are advised to visit the scheme's website at www.nss.gov.gh to initiate the online enrollment process. However, before proceeding, prospective servicepersons must pay a registration fee of 40 cents. This fee can be paid at any branch of the ADB Bank or via Mountain Momo for convenience. The payment of 41 cents via Mountain Momo will grant access to the main enrollment platform, as outlined in the statement from the scheme's secretariat. Enrollment for the 2024-2025 service year is set to commence on Wednesday, April 3rd, and will conclude on Friday, April 19, 2024. It's imperative that all eligible trained teachers complete their online enrollment process within this stipulated period. Remember, this is a crucial step in fulfilling your national service obligation, so make sure to follow the guidelines provided by the NSS and complete your enrollment promptly. And there you have it, folks. The latest update on the NSS enrollment process for trained nurses, midwives. If you're eligible for national service, don't delay. Visit the NSS website and begin your enrollment process today. Thank you for tuning in to Huxtello iTech. I'm Jess, signing off until next time. Remember, stay informed, stay proactive, and embrace the opportunities that lie ahead.